if I'm the only person that buys wigs in this world, I will never buy a frontal wig. I'm sorry. It is fine though, but it's uncomfortable. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? In case you don't know, my name is Susan Henshaw and this is Susan Henshaw Space. Thank you so much for coming. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you'll be the first to get notified when I post a new video. I'm very excited today because I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm not just a regular unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing luxury hairs that I ordered from my friend. So let's start. I got these hairs from my friend Genevieve. Her business name is Hair by July Naya, and I want to be showing you guys everything I got. You know, the best part about buying from my friend is that she sells very quality hairs at affordable prices, and then she has a very good December deal for you guys. So if you know you have like a hair in particular that you want to buy, she's going to be selling that hair at a discounted price. Not only at a discounted price, you can pay 50% for your hair and then split the remaining payment till December. I think maybe December 15th or so. Let's assume that the hair you want to buy is 100,000, right? You pay 50,000 naira now to deposit, and then you can split the remaining 50,000 from September, October, November, and probably the first week of December. So you can pay 10,000, pay 5,000 as long as the money is complete before a specific time in December. I am not really sure about the time she gave, but I would, post all the necessary details in the comments. Thank you so much. So if you know you're interested in buying hairs, please just check my comment section and you'll see all the necessary information for this particular deal. So let's get right into it. So I got two luxury hairs that I've been eyeing, on her page for a long time. And the best part about this is that you know, I paid small. So if you guys want to be like me, if you guys want fine hairs, luxury hairs, if you guys want hairs for Christmas, then, just check my comment section and I'll be dropping all necessary details there. So let's get right into it. So there's a saying that you must have at least one pixie coils in your hair, you know, your hair bag or whatever. So yes, I am one of the people that do not have pixie coils, but that story has changed because I have gotten a very nice pixie coils from my friend. So let me show you guys. Wait. This is not even the exciting part of the video. You guys, my friend gave me lovely gifts. So let's start from the gifts. All right, so this is what I got. Let me show you guys. So she added some nice, lovely gifts for me. Oh, this is a thank you card. Can you see? This is a thank you card. Thank you for your purchase, dear Susan. Thank you so much for your order. I hope this package brightens your day. Of course, it did brighten my day. If you love your purchase, please give a feedback. You guys, I went to her DM, like I bombarded her DM with messages when I got my hair. Like, I've already left my feedback, so don't worry. But I've not, She gave me a wig cap. Oh, she gave me comb and a mirror. Look, you guys, I have a mirror now. All right, so let me open it and see how it looks like. Oh, guys, this is what I got. She gave me this mirror. Wow, pretty, pretty. I love the mirror. So she gave me a mirror, comb, and wig cap. Thank you so much, Hair by July Naya. Now let's go into the unboxing proper. Whoa, guys. So this is a 14-inch Pixie coils with 5x5 closure, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. So she did a C-cut for me because I already have like center parting and all of that. So I was like, she was asking me whether she should do a C-cut. I was like, okay, you know what, just do a C-cut and let me see how it looks. Look at it. Oh my gosh, this hair is so soft. So soft. So it's a 14-inch Pixie coils. You guys, this is my first Pixie coil, so forgive me. I'm excited. So this is a 14-inch Pixie coils, 5x5 closure. Can you guys see? 5x5 closure. Look. So I'm coming. Let me go and wear it. I'll come back. You guys, see my hair. See the Pixie coils. Oh my gosh. So yes, this is a 14-inch Pixie coils with 5x5 closure, and this is the C cut. I think I don't really know much about hairs, but oh my gosh, look at this hair. This hair is so soft. What do you guys think? Is it fine? Is it good? I think it's lovely. So yeah, this is the Pixie coils I got from her. I love it so much. Oh my god, the texture is so freaking soft. So soft. Anyways, yes, this is the Pixie coils I got from Hair by July Naya. So you guys, if you want something similar to this or you want exactly this, check my comment section and you will see her number, WhatsApp number, her page, for you to go and chat her up and enjoy this exciting deal that she has for December. So yes, see the Pixie coils, and I've not styled it yet and it's already looking so fine. Let me do small pose with it. In fact, let me wear my shades. Oh my god, so soft. So yes, Pixie coils I got from her. She said if I want to make it bigger, she already showed me how to make it bigger by shaking, shaking, shaking. But anyways, this is the first time I'm trying a C cut. I don't know, but I think it's fine. Like it's fine. Like I'm a fine girl. Can't you see? All right. So yeah. Okay. So let's go to the next hair. Let me take this off. So guys, that is the Pixie Curl 5x5. How did you look? It looked so good on me. Before we go to the next hair, I wanted to say something. You guys, frontal wigs are overrated. Yes, I said it. They're overrated. I don't know why people do frontals, because the first time I did frontal, like I installed a frontal, I was very uncomfortable. Like uncomfortable. Like it was just itchy. It was just so uncomfortable. I don't know why people do that. Please, I prefer, closure wigs, 5x5 wigs. I like the best. But you see frontal, I beg. The only good advantage of a frontal is that it's fine after installation. What about, maintaining it? You have to make sure you use that band that is very tight on your head. You have to use the band, and then you have to make sure water does not touch your frontal or whatever. You have to like spend a lot of money installing it. So anytime you want to go out, you have to go and pay for them to install if you don't know how to install yourself. It's just a lot of work. I do not like frontal. I'm sorry. I hate frontal wigs. I don't like them. I don't think I would like them ever. I don't know. I just don't like frontals, you guys. It's very freaking uncomfortable. If you put that in your head, the second day, okay, let's say you want to install the frontal for something. Let's say you install it the day before the activity or whatever event you have. You see that day you install it, you can still manage it. The day you use it, still go. See the next day, like the third day after, you're already itching. You already want to remove it. See, the first time I installed my hair, I was like, is this how it's supposed to feel? Abi, am I missing something? Because a lot of people install this thing like back to back. I didn't know feeling what I'm feeling. Like this whole place was just pinning me. And they had to use one band to tie my hair. You guys, if I'm the only person that buys wigs in this world, I will never buy a frontal wig. I'm sorry. It is fine though, but it's uncomfortable. I like my comfort. I like to, I don't like to go through any stress. So you see that frontal, it's stressful and I don't like it. So I'm sorry. So you guys, if you want to buy wigs, please take my advice. Buy 5x5 closures. Don't buy frontals, because I know I'm not the only one that hates frontals. I know a lot of people do not like it. So, frontal wigs. Nope. Let's go to the second hair that I am about to unbox. So, the second hair, woo, is a bouncy wig, 5x5 closure, 16-inch bouncy hair, 5x5 closure. So it's a 16-inch bouncy hair. Oh my god, look at it. It's a 16-inch Bouncy hair with 5x5 closure. You guys, I have not put this hair on already, and look at how it is. It's full, long, heavy. You guys, this is 300 grams. The Pixie calls was 200 grams. This is 300 grams. 5x5 closure, 16-inch bouncy hair. Look at it. 16-inch. This is a 5x5 closure. You guys, please don't buy frontal wigs. Please buy 5x5 closures. If you like comfort like me, if you don't like stress, buy 5x5 closure wigs. You guys, just buy normal this thing. Just buy normal. I don't know. Just don't buy frontal wigs, please. Okay, let's try the wig on. We're back. Oh my god, you guys, look at this hair. Look at this hair. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Whoa. So this is the 5x5 16-inch bouncy. You guys, see. It's so pretty. Ah! So pretty. Oh my god. You guys, look at it. Oh my god. This eats like this is better than any closure wig. What are you guys saying? 5x5 closure is, man. Look at it now. Oh my god. And I've not even brushed, I've not even combed it. I mean, look at it. I've not combed it and they're already looking this pretty. So fine. You guys. You guys, my friend sells the best hairs. Whoa. I love it. I love it. Huh. So you guys, if you want luxury hairs, like mine, if you want to slay, if you want your hair to command respect in public, just patronize my friend. Okay? Buy hairs from Hair by July 9 and she's going to give you value for your money. Look at me, you guys. This is the best time to grab the offer that she's giving you. Buy, pay 50% and pay, instrumentally before December. Guys. It's so fine. Can you see the hair? Can you see how fine it looks? This is my fave. I love this one so much. So you guys, if you're interested in buying hairs for my friend, please check the comment section for her information. Look, so I just want to cut this lace off and I start seeing my hair. I'm not even combing the hair. And it's already giving everything that it should give. If you're interested in buying luxury hairs like mine, kindly send a DM to my friend. It's better you have one good hair instead of having multiple fake hairs. Just buy one good hair. You know why? That one good hair can last you, for a long time. But buying hairs that are not good, you have to keep like buying more just because the ones that are not good don't last you. If you want value for your money, if you want to buy hairs that command respect when you go out, you want to buy quality hairs, buy from my friend. You guys. So I love my hair so much. I love it and I can't wait. I don't used to be a weak person. Like I've never been a weak person. All of a sudden I just have this like, I just have this nice feeling when I wear wigs. So okay. But it's so soft, like the texture is so good, it's amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos like mine. I also post shorts, so kindly check my page to watch my shorts videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notification so you get notified when I post a new video. Mwah. Have a lovely day. Thank you.